Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency as well, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as two more in the back, or right here in the middle, with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center screen here, where you have a fully digital cluster with your trip information, trip 1 and 2, eco behavior, auto start stop status, driver assistance features, and fuel economy. You can also exit out of that and go to your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and driver assistance again. You also have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features are in your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. Your favorite screen, much like your My View, where you can kind of have all of your subcategories for ease of access and whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above your screen, you have your auto start stops shut off, your camera view again with the front view, your hazards, traction control shut off, and this truck does also have a B&O audio system, so your music's going to sound pretty decent. But then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, as well as heated and air conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, as well as a bunch of drive modes such as you have normal, of course, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and then on the other end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Do also have a column shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to the right, where you have a 12 volt and 120 volt power outlet with this button up here to open the compartment above your glove box. And then below your climate controls, you have another 12 volt with a USB and USB-C, and a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then you have another lockable compartment underneath that too for even more storage, so that's always nice. And then last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.